This Engineering is Elementary digital how-to will demonstrate the preparation of the oil mixture used in Lessons 3 and 4 of A Slick Solution, Cleaning an Oil Spill. To prepare 1 cup of the oil mixture, you will need the following materials: 1 teaspoon measure, 1 2-cup liquid measuring cup, 1 teaspoon of black oil-based food coloring, and 1 cup of vegetable oil. Measure 1 cup of vegetable oil in your liquid measuring cup. Add 1 teaspoon of the black oil-based food coloring into the oil. Stir the mixture until the oil is a uniform black color. If the mixture sits for a long time before beginning the lesson, be sure to stir it again so that the color will be mixed evenly throughout.